Deliver a branded experience. Rebrand your MSP portal with Site24x7. Hi there! If you're an MSP using Site24x7 to manage your customers' IT environments, this video is for you. We'll guide you through how to rebrand your customer portal to match your company's identity using your own URL, verified domain, and secure email alerts. Meet Zylker IT. For their business operations, they monitor multiple clients through Site24x7. But when customers log in, instead of the Zylker branded URL, they see a preset Site24x7 URL and get alerts from a Site24x7 email address. This may not reflect Zylker's branding. A branded domain and email provide a more consistent branded experience. To fix this, Zylker IT rebranded their customer portal. They created a custom URL, verified their domain, and set up DKIM, giving customers a fully branded experience. Step 1. How can you rebrand your portal with a custom URL? Start by adding your own portal URL, for example, portal.zylker.com. Here's how. Invite your customers as sub-users or through customer groups. Follow the steps for adding the custom domain in Site24x7 portal. Log in to Site24x7 MSP account. Then navigate to Admin My Account. Under the Customize Settings section, add your domain in Custom Domain field and click on the Save button. Finally, in your DNS control panel, create a CNAME record mapping your domain to Site24x7's domain for your data center like customer-sp.site247.com for the US. Set the TTL time to live between 30 minutes and 1 hour and save the record. This makes your customer portal accessible under your own brand name. Step 2. Verify your domain. Next, verify your domain ownership. To get the domain verification key, go to the My Accounts page in your MSP account. In the Domain TXT verification field, click View Record. Copy the verification key displayed in the pop-up. Paste the copied key into the TXT value field of your DNS settings. Once verified, your portal and domain are securely linked, ensuring no one can misuse your domain. Step 3. Set up DKIM for secure and branded emails. Finally, set up DKIM to protect your email alerts. Add the DKIM record provided by Site24x7 to your DNS. This digitally signs all emails from your domain, like alerts at zylker.com, keeping them authentic and out of spam folders. That's it. With just 3 steps, rebranding, verification, and DKIM setup, your Site24x7 customer portal becomes a trusted extension of your brand. Rebrand, verify, and build trust with Site24x7. For assistance, contact support at site247.com. Thanks for watching.